In this video, we'll introduce Helix core support for multi-factor authentication, also known as MFA. MFA is the easiest and most popular way to secure enterprise users and their data. 81% of all data breaches involve weak or stolen credentials, and MFA can prevent that. Once implemented, MFA ensures that users who are accessing the system are who they say they are. It provides more assurance than a simple password. With MFA, users get access only after providing additional factors. Those factors can include answering a security question, using an additional one-time password, using a physical token, accessing an Apple or Android app. Why do we need MFA on a version control system? Version control systems store some of the most valuable assets companies possess, their intellectual property. Even so, most version control systems don't provide support for MFA. Perforce already limits access to files stored in Helix VCS, either via the client application, command line, or swarm using a web browser. This means that only users with permission can view and act on the files stored. Now, support for MFA is built into the Helix server. Once MFA is implemented on the server, it provides an additional security layer. When users try to access the server from the command line, the visual client, plugins, or swarm, they're required to provide additional authentication factors. The client support is provided via the interface called Helix MFA Authenticator, which is bundled into the download for P4V, the Helix visual client. Helix MFA currently works with Okta out of the box, and it's configurable with other providers. Contact your account representative for more details. First, you can use MFA from the command line on Linux, Windows, or Macintosh. Just type your login command as usual, and after you enter your password, you'll see the factors chosen by your administrator. You can also use MFA with the Helix visual client P4V. After you enter your password in P4V, the Helix MFA window pops up. You'll see the list of factors chosen by your administrator. Just pick the factor you wish to use and provide the appropriate action in response. MFA also works with Visual Studio via the P4VS plugin and with Eclipse Oxygen using the P4 Eclipse plugin. We hope you found this video helpful and understand how Helix MFA works, as well as which Helix clients and plugins are supported. For more information, please access the online technical documentation. Or, if you have any specific technical questions, contact support@perforce.com.